Hi everyone, my name is Joel, and in this video I'd like to show you some tricks and tips for using Knowledge Forum. There's a few features that you might not be aware about, so we'll cover those in this video. So the first one that I'd like to show you is creating a desktop link to your Knowledge Forum view. So I'll just log right in. So these are my credentials. So I'll log in. First step is I often have to go looking for the community. Then once I find it, I'll click on my community and I arrive to my view, and I might have to navigate to another view at this point that I want to have as my home view. So I'll show you how to create that desktop link. So first of all, I'll just minimize the page a little bit, and then I'll click here in the address bar, and then I'm just going to click and drag that URL down to the desktop. Once I let go, you'll see that it automatically creates that icon for me. So it's called Knowledge Forum, and it'll take me to the exact view that I want to end up on. So I'll just close this one down so we can take a look at what that might look like. So I'll go down here to the bottom of the page. I'll double click on this icon. Double click right on that icon there, and you can see it popping up here at the top of the page. So now I've landed right back on that view, so I got to skip over looking for my community and skip over looking for that view. If you're not logged into the page, you'll also hit the login screen. So I'll demo that. So here I've logged out of Knowledge Forum, and now I'll click on this link again, and it'll take me to this login page. Now if I've saved my credentials, then it's as quick as clicking on login, and again it'll take you right past that community and you'll end up on the view. So hope this helps, and hope to see you in the next video.